guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are on Snowyork, my Christmas in New York themed island, and today we are building Times Square. So basically my plan is to make kind of like a viewing spot behind resident services and then have Times Square in the center and just have some like buildings surrounding it. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and all the links to my socials would be down below, as well as the codes that I'm using on this island. Anyways, let's get on with the speed build. Alright, and we are now finished with the speed build, so I'm going to give you guys a final walkthrough. So this is my New York or Christmas in New York, Times Square. I think this turned out so beautiful. I was struggling with the road placement at first and the paths and stuff, if you guys saw that, but I was struggling, but I feel like this is perfect now. I was really worried about, like, you know, all the Christmas colors because it was a lot of screens and I was scared of it not looking like Christmassy, but I think this looks so Christmassy and I love the way it turned out. So here we just have Times Square itself. I used a lot of the big projection screens and just a lot of the little TVs and all of that. I love the detail of like the McDonald's and the Coca-Cola ads. I can't scroll up, but I love the little ads over there. Over here is like a little seating area, so you can sit here and look at the view of Times Square, which I think is so nice. And then over here I am planning on adding another incline. But yeah, over here we just have this brick path. It looks really bare over here. I still need to work on this side and build it up a little bit, so just ignore that for now. But over here we just have some of these townhouses. I just wanted to make the whole thing feel more like secluded in, and so I built these little townhouses. I did this for my entrance as well, and then I just have some of these drink machines with some TVs on them just to add some more of like the Times Square vibes. I have this transportation stop and I put this LED like light thing to kind of look like the ad is on the transportation stop, so maybe, you know, like they're waiting for buses or something. And then I did the exact same thing on the other side. So I added the drink machines with the TVs, the transportation stop, and all of that. My favorite part about this island is that I am, you know, I'm obviously making a Christmas in New York island, and New York is very city-like. And you know, just Christmas in New York is basically just a bunch of like Christmas decorations and stuff, but I love how I'm also like using, so basically like the drink machines, I'm using them in green and red just to add to like the Christmas colors, as well as the cars, the transportation stop, the phone boxes. So I love how I'm doing that too because it really adds into the Christmassy feel. And then this is how it looks from this view. Yeah, this is how it looks. I love it so much. I also like the little Christmas tree right here. I just like was trying it out for fun because I was like, there needs to be like some Christmas tree in the area, so there we go. Alright, and that's gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I really hope you all enjoyed this speed build. It took me about 2 days to build, so I really hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you next time with a new video. Bye!